Sanbonan, Buffett. I hope you've been good. It's been a long time without like shooting any video because it is FIFA break and then I come game labo. So yeah, today Bogdala in squad South Africa was playing against the Lesotho, just our brothers, right? It is a thing. I just even need to say it's like Lesotho just needs to be like a profit in South Africa because for me somehow it doesn't make sense available. But those are political things and stuff, so we can't just dwell too much on that. So yeah, the game that has caused a lot of drama on our FIFA qualification games has played today. If some of you all don't actually know about this, so months ago, I think last year or something, I'm not sure, months ago or last year, I don't know when, like, Bidlala about South Africa name, Lesotho last time they met him, Mokoena played a match which was supposed to be like or part of the match, and then South Africa was like, nah, they gonna be saving that punishment about on the next game against Benini. And then during the week, when there was a post conference and stuff, and Nani, the coach of Lesotho spoke about Utina, if we play Mokoena today, they are gonna like approach about that thing where like, I'm just trying to find like the right terms or they just gonna continue with like their strike and stuff and nani. And then somehow they asked Umkulu Bruce and yeah, the guy had some ego and he was like, nah, we're just gonna play that player. They asked him on the interview what does he think, and then he just laughed about it. And he was like, nah, I can't be entertaining nonsense and stuff. So yeah, he had guts, which like I'm far and ego available. Which for me somehow I think it was kind of like a fair trade because we played a player that was not supposed to play against them and they decided to be good brothers of ours because their relationship with like Lesotho and South Africa is very close. So on that matter, I think it wasn't supposed to be an issue which like Samjalis available, Mrembula available, but yeah, Baba Bruce, and it was not that high on paper. When you're looking at it, it wasn't gonna be a match. It was gonna be tested that much. I'm not saying which they were supposed to be players, but Baba bring up on him and stuff. But Kuma players are with bench. We've been waiting for the likes of Uban Lerox. We haven't like seen him. Even Opas, I believe bengakwazi ukuthi like adlale vele position leyana available. So it was a thing ukuthi now we gave you a chance in, but for me I felt like as a South African it was just a disrespect and it was just a fair trade. We just needed to ukuthi iLesotho away is a comment available, and they're not saying ukuthi like now we're gonna be serving a punishment against the Benin because it is unnecessary because it was not Benin didn't get affected. We're just doing them a favor, and somehow I believe we see let's draw against them. So yeah, it was okay. Let's just get to a match. Well, on a starting lineup, everything changed. It didn't be a same match njengalezi vele ezinye vele yabo like squad vele sishintshile rwana la it was first time after a long time. I didn't see like Mutau yabo Mutau just walks in let's starting lineup lesiyana, and then yeah, there were just a lot of politics with like select sheet and stuff, and then there are a lot of factors available when it comes to Inter Bafana. And I just want to say to all those Kosi fans who are not happy with like either we not perform outside because like our players are not part of Into squad available, you should feel ashamed because it is all about South Africa. Well, it is not about clubs and stuff. And even though they be Paris fans, for example, right now I posted, I was like, well, that's what one of if the Pirates engizohlala phezu kwengqondo ingqondo disabled already thing yabo. The judge is telling me ukuthi nah, it was Pagani and stuff. Always I hear vele my players saying, well, you developed some of them they are currently playing very for Pagani about the likes of Apolisi quality. So yeah, they were just making. I understand they gonna be making a lot of noise and stuff, but I think it should be just like the conflicts layer of it is the wing a corner between Pirates and the Kaizer Chiefs layer conflicts layer, the argument layer. But I don't think it's like we should be jealous. Well, we should be waiting. We should be waiting for a downfall vele Bafana Bafana, but it's just stupid. The boys can still have a chance and stuff to play like in future, but also it is just benefiting us. So I just wanted to comment on that also because like it seems like today I'm just talking a lot about like political things happening, and then when it gets to the game, let me just get to the game right now. Always unexpected lineup available as usual, but different, not unexpected, different. About you could have expected it, but for me, I didn't. Yeah, I didn't expect Mehlambo Kota will start at that side. Obviously, it was obviously of our striker, the number 9 on the midfield. Unexpected. I didn't think Mokwena will play as I just described right now. Is playing the routine. What's up? So yeah, man, we played like a beautiful football. I don't wanna lie, we had like many chances. I believe we could have just wrapped this match, not even 5-0, we could have just wrapped it 9-0, 8-0. We created a lot of chances, but some of them we didn't convert them. It was the first chance that Elia to one. Our striker, our Premier League striker, Line Foster. There was a time where I was like, nah, he's supposed to finish that chance, but it seems like he was looking down the first attempt available. And then yeah, here and there, Silvers Watlaganis, and then a beautiful goal from Mukota. I think it is his first South African goal, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. You're allowed. Yeah. And then also like Arsenal Police scored also. So all of our like front, which is good. As a coach, you'll feel valuable, motivated. The stuff when like all of your front three players, it could be 2 or 4 players available in front if you're playing 4-2-4 or 4-4-2. The front players, well as a coach, those are the people which you are expecting goals from, besides like a midfield and stuff. Also, maybe attacking midfield, but those are your best players available or expected was available, which the boys actually did well, and I just want to say congratulations to them. And then, yeah, we are waiting for the big match. You can be playing Nigeria anytime soon. But as a South African, I just want to say you're not trending that much in Nigeria. I think their problem is to just focus on like a chemist. There's no like chemist between like their players and stuff. There's just a lot of individual brilliant, but they are not available compared to that much. So yeah, man, basically that's it. And then on a substitute, I don't wanna lie, besides Kuba like bias and stuff and I expected ukuthi maybe mhlambe we'll see available available i-debut yakhe kuBafana Bafana, but after like bangamfakanga lapha mabafaka uSibelebele. By the way, congratulations to Sibelebele for getting like i-debut yakhe. There are a lot of things in society. Congratulations to him ukuthi athole vele. We are happy for him, even though available awezoba khona vele said ukuthi na expected my boy. I just wanted, but bengafuna ukuthi umuntu vele aze vele ayi-one. I wanted to see him with Unto or real available. I just wanted, because like abantwana like Wasikas, they are just saving kasi flavor and stuff. So I think it was going to be beautiful. Like the Nyabo books were like, wow, both of the youngsters very very cool and Paganism, it was going to be an interesting available playing vele phakathi vele between them. And then on the midfield, I just want to say Siphombule and Mukwena. I wasn't worried that much. I kind of like understand ukuthi basuka, even though it didn't make sense which why Siphombule wasn't selected last day, but always I'm lying, it makes sense because there were not like injuries and stuff and then also there are just arguments ukuthi that might because he's playing for Pioneers. Now I don't think that it is a hit. According to my understanding, I would prefer Ombule Vele or not as an 8 and 6, but not as an like a 10. I would prefer him and Mukwena as like Umrembula, the chef and Umrembula, Master Chef Umrembula as an 8 and then 6, because they've played from like a cast available from development, from like under 20, 21, youth vele abadlala vele together, but even on Sundown they play together, Supersport they play together. So I expected available, which okay, there's that glimpse of like chemistry. And then yeah, let me get back again to my substitute with like Subelebele didn't do anything. Like he didn't do anything. Maybe it was a thing which now the match already like was wrapped up available because Conor Lawelo Chef. But let's not focus on the negatives. Just focus on the positives. But I also okay, let me criticize on the negative because we will need to improve that. Lento lokuthi bathola ibhola aliphusha afuna like ukugijima quick. I think it's just doing the same thing like Unkota, but ukuthi uNkosi akalipushanga that much, and nakhona it was just a mistake, so we can't judge that much available. I believe as I'm a player is normal available, but yeah, he might need to work out on that element because he's a very pacing player, man, I have to say. And then my man of the match, who would I give it to? Damn. Nah, I think I'll give it to Line Forsler. Line Forsler is like a mobile strike. I don't wanna. He's like, if you are watching, because last season I started to watch about this guy Fiston Mayet because he was linked with the coach name. Most of like our matches when like he gets a chance available. Even when he played against like our teams, whether like South Africa, he's more of that because he can yeah, but strike squad like more. I think he's even more of like Mahopa, ne? He has those qualities which like he can play as like he winger and also like pass. I would say he's a wing available, but this is that type of a striker which will be mobile. You'll find him like on a side and stuff, which is actually good. Vele into those aspects available also. Because I would say like that guy would say level number nine. And then one thing about him, I think maybe it's just the level that is actually playing on. Even though I would just like to argue, but I think it is just that level adlala kuyo because like positioning yakhe available as a striker, it is always on top notch, man. And I hope with him it won't be this thing which when European players they're coming here in Africa they don't perform that's much like just like about Salah and stuff. So yeah, and then there was a time when we got selfish. There was a time when niggas would call that, but I was like to the Jets, I'll just defend him like this. But nah, the boy is a striker. So as a striker, like Mase boxing shooter, my guy. I don't matter what's like when my players I three up at boxing with you or have a better opportunity. My argument is that yeah, but I'm not saying you did a correct decision. So that's pretty much it. I've taken way too long and yeah, I just want to say by the way, I appreciate 715. Khohle like nokunibonga abafisi. Ngiyabonga, 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 ngiyathanda. And then yeah, now let's get to 800 subs and but just 15 more to go. We might get to recognize. But you all just like last month, our target was 750, and then you all just made it to be 775 or 76, and then my were on 85. I appreciate you all. Danko.